Be blessed by the divine. I'm Dr. Tavamani, allopathy doctor, GP Gynac, medical counselor, and the spiritual counselor. Health does not always come from medicine. Most of the time, it comes from peace of mind, peace in the heart, peace in the soul. Love, laughter, hope, faith, and compassion are some of the best medicines. I would like to prescribe love and compassion for good health. Who can prescribe, when to prescribe, how to prescribe, and where to prescribe this? On 14th February, the whole world celebrated Valentine's Day, a day to show love and compassion to yourself, your family, friends, nature, and everyone around us. Love and compassion is the foundation of everything. Vedantam philosophies says, if we analyze nature, we can see that love and compassion is prevalent in each and everything. Either we see an egg or young mango tree or anything around in the nature. Among living beings, the mother holds her child with her always or monitors that the child does not leave her away. That is love. At the same time, she is feeding the child with mild and required food for its growth and living. This is compassion. In our medical practices, 30 years back, we had enough time to prescribe love and compassion, faith and hope, along with the medicines which we used to prescribe. Now diseases also has increased so much, medical system has also become more complicated. Mother's love is unconditional. Divine's love is unconditional. We can prescribe love and compassion without any expectations to pregnant mothers, to children, adolescents, to the life partner, to strangers, the medical team to the patient, patients to the medical team. Anyone can prescribe to the patient. We can also prescribe to old age home. We can prescribe to people in the orphanages. Anywhere we can prescribe this love and compassion. We can show love and compassion by spending time with them. Little gestures like a hug or a handshake, some magic little words like thank you, sorry, excuse me, I love you, or some little gifts as in our daily routines. We can show love and compassion by blessing them and showing gratitude to them. We can make this earth into heaven through this love and compassion. Due to lack of love and compassion, many diseases are increasing like cancer, heart disease, mental disease, diabetes, hypertension, etc. Love and compassion in food department is reducing. The mother, the head of the department, cooks food with love and compassion. We all eat food together with the family, sharing love and compassion. All the professions can show their love and compassion in their professions like farmers, business people, healthcare team, patients, bankers, politicians. Anybody can do this along with blessing therapy and gratitude therapy. Due to lack of love, we can see some burnout syndrome in the doctors, in the mothers, and in every human beings. Doctors are not finding any time to show love and compassion, faith and hope to the patients. Patients also don't have time to show to the medical profession. Only if we have love and compassion within ourselves, we can give it to others. How to generate this love and compassion within ourselves? First, we have to empty our vessel, which is filled with anger, hatred, greed, miserliness, inferiority and superiority complex, improper sexual feelings. We have to moralize our thought, our food, our sleep, sex, and work. Self-love and compassion can be increased with sky exercise, healthy food habits, kaya kalpa, meditation, introspection, and listening to various Vedantam philosophy. Lack of self-love may lead to injury to themselves as well to others, or sometimes even they commit suicide. We have to show love and compassion. We have to be happy with wherever we are born, the family, the society, the religion, the country. If you don't have enough love for the society, accidents, war, fights, misunderstanding happens. It will be imprinted in the genetic center. We have to show love and compassion to the nature. The divinity has blessed us with so much of love and compassion, the amazing and beautiful nature. Respect nature, worship nature. Man with his sixth sense is polluting his mind, polluting the air, polluting the land, polluting the water, and bringing out global warming and natural calamities like corona pandemic, cyclone, etc. Introspect, meditate, find out who I am and what is the purpose of life. Prescribe love and compassion generously to yourself, to the society and nature. Anyone can do it. The only way to make this world peaceful, happy, and disease free is to prescribe more of love and compassion. Be blessed by the divine.